Same, we came here also with the same target to at least get a slot in for the final round. Malaysian squad also is the same. We have been rotating the players, using all the tournaments as an experience, and hopefully the current players can do the best in this tournament. Okay, on our side, expectation in Malaysia also is high, and we come here, of course, we will do our best, and we will try to fulfill what the fan needed, and definitely we foresee that it will be a tough round, but we will look forward to participating in this competition.